City Councilor natin, ma'am. Barangay
Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
That these people from their area, they could get something out. Madam President, to give you a briefing of what we have right now, in the whole country we have a target of 10,000 hectares, and 7,000 hectares is now ongoing for implementation and plantation. In particular here in province of Iloilo and the island of Panay, we here in Pasig have a target of 800 hectares, and now we have planted 600 hectares as of today. We could have easily transported all the planting materials in our area where we are planting this plantation. The constraints was we will have to travel it from...
Durugid nga salamat, Director Jessry Palmares.